Hey everyone, meet Brandon again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter on your Toyota Tundra. This happens to be a 2018. If you have battery acid or gunk, there's a trick. Watch this video in the corner to fix that. If you want to know how to fix your filter, which is right here, there's the old one, the new one's in there. There's another video coming at the end, click that. But in this one, I'm going to show you how to change the filter inside your cabin. This is so easy, guys. Anybody can do this. So there's little plastic pieces you got to take off, right? Take them all off, and then right in there is your filter, okay? Pull that bad boy out. Look at all the leaves and crap in there, okay? That is it. Take that out, then just follow the instructions where the airflow or whatnot. Depending on the filter, I'll put the filter in the links for you guys, but then you just push it in there. That's it, and then you just seal. These are so easy, they just clamp right on. It'll take you 2 minutes. It saved me like $200 doing all that. So hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. Don't forget, click these videos next, and we'll see you in the next video.